Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So today we're comparing AntiGravity, Claude Code, and Cursor to find out which AI coding assistant is the best. AI coding assistants are changing the way developers build software. Instead of only providing simple autocomplete suggestions, modern AI tools can now understand projects, help write features, debug problems, automate tasks, and support developers throughout the entire coding process. In this comparison, we will look at how each tool works, what makes it different, and which type of developer may benefit most from using it. So, Google AntiGravity is designed around agent-based development. It lets users manage multiple coding agents, work across projects, run terminal commands, automate tasks, and review generated changes. The main idea behind agent-based development is that different AI agents can handle different parts of a workflow. For example, one agent could analyze existing code, another could help create a new feature, and another could review changes before they are added to a project. This approach can be especially useful for developers working on larger applications where multiple tasks need to be completed at the same time. So an individual plan is free, while Google AI Pro and Ultra provide higher limits. Higher limits can be useful for developers who use AI tools frequently because complex coding tasks often require more context, longer conversations, and additional processing power. User feedback is mixed. Some people like the parallel agent workflow and model selection, while others report connection issues, heavy resource use, and inconsistent results. Like many AI development tools, the experience can vary depending on the project size, coding language, and how the developer uses the assistant. AI can speed up development, but developers still need to check the generated code carefully. Claude Code focuses on understanding complete code bases. It can explore files, fix bugs, build features, run tasks, create commits, and use specialized subagents. One of Claude Code's biggest advantages is its ability to understand the bigger picture of a project. Instead of only looking at one piece of code, it can analyze how different files and components work together. This can make it useful for debugging complex applications, improving existing code, and working with large repositories. It works through the terminal, supported editors, desktop, and browser code. This workflow may be a good fit for developers who are comfortable using command line tools and prefer a more technical development environment. Pro costs $20 monthly, while Max starts at $100. Many developers praise its reasoning and performance on complex repository tasks. However, heavy users often complain about token usage in session or weekly limits. For developers who use AI throughout the day, usage limits can become an important factor. A powerful AI assistant is only useful if it can support the amount of work you need to complete. Cursor offers the most familiar experience because it combines AI tools with a modern code editor. Unlike tools that work mainly through the terminal, Cursor provides an editor experience that feels similar to traditional coding environments while adding AI features directly into the workflow. And users can try tab completions, inline edits, agent mode, cloud agents for the cloud agents, code review, and several frontier models. These features help developers in different ways. Tab completions can speed up everyday coding, inline edits can quickly modify existing sections, and agent mode can assist with larger coding tasks involving multiple files. The hobby plan is free, while Pro costs $20 monthly. And users commonly enjoy its speed and smooth editor integration, although pricing can feel unclear and agent sessions may consume limits quickly. For developers who want a balance between AI assistance and a familiar coding experience, Cursor can be an easy starting point. Overall, Cursor is likely the easiest option for beginners and visual developers. Its interface is simple to understand, making it a good choice for people who are new to AI coding tools or prefer working inside a visual editor. Claude Code may suit experienced users working on complex projects. Developers handling large code bases, advanced debugging, or complicated software systems may find its deeper reasoning abilities more useful. While AntiGravity is worth exploring for multi-agent workflows, users who want to experiment with AI agents working together may find this approach interesting, especially for automating repetitive development tasks. Each has useful strengths, but generated code still needs careful review. No AI coding assistant is perfect. Developers should always test code, check for security issues, review logic, and make sure the final result matches their requirements before using it in a real project. So, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.